In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple locations on Fresha. Whether you're expanding your business or adding new venues, we'll walk through this process together, ensuring you can manage your locations seamlessly. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's open up your web browser and head over to Fresha's website. This platform is a fantastic tool for business owners looking to streamline their services and locations. So it's important you're familiar with the layout. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log into your account. If you're a regular user, this should be straightforward, but if it's your first time, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Keep in mind that a secure password is key to protecting your business information online. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main menu. You'll want to locate the settings option. It's usually represented by a gear icon, and within this section, you can tailor many aspects of your business account. By clicking on Settings, you'll gain access to all the tools necessary to manage your business effectively. From here, navigate to Business Setup and then click on Location. Once you're in the Location section, you should see an Add button. Go ahead and click that to begin adding a new location. This step is crucial as it opens up the form where all the critical details about your new location will be inputted. Now, it's time to fill out the details under About Your Business. This is where you will type in the location name, along with a contact number and an email address. It's important to ensure this information is accurate because clients will use these details to reach you. Once everything is correctly filled out, move forward by selecting the Next Step button. In the subsequent screen, you'll be asked to select your main and secondary business types. This categorization helps Fresha tailor your options and notifications based on your business model, so choose what best represents your services. Again, after making your choices, click Next Step. Now let's add your physical location. Enter the business address, and don't forget to include billing details. This means inputting the company name, address, and any relevant notes that could be useful for billing purposes. These details ensure that everything is billed correctly and helps prevent any future confusion. Finally, it's time to set your opening days and hours. Clients will refer to these details when booking appointments, so ensure they reflect your actual availability. Once you've verified all the details are correct, click Save. This step locks in all the changes, making your location ready to go. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to expand your presence on Fresha efficiently. Remember, managing multiple locations becomes a breeze when you have your information organized and updated. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.